All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put this in sport mode, and then we're gonna go ahead and check it out how fast this thing goes. Whoa! Go ahead and go again. Look at this. Whoa! Wow! It's Mavic. This Mini 3. Whoa! It's fast, guys. Like, I couldn't even hear it anymore. It's like, wow! I mean, that's the loudest you can ever go with this. It's low battery. It's quiet on sport mode. This is a sleeper, man. It's smooth. It's just flying like, I don't know. I think they should call this an air because it's smooth. Look at it. It's just really, it's really smooth. All right, low battery. Wow. All right, let's go ahead. Wow, look at this. Wow, this thing is super quiet. Look at that. Wow. Whoa. Oh yeah. Whew. All right, we're gonna go ahead and land. I got 11. Okay, let's go ahead and do, I got 11% battery. Let's go ahead and do, okay, let's go ahead and land. Whew. Okay, so again, if you want to go and land this, the wind is blowing this direction, so you want to go ahead and catch it. Wow, guys, this thing it flies like butter. Tell, guys, amazing. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.